Hello. I'm going to showcase AureliusAI, which is basically a chatbot that embodies the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius. So our models that we used was Google Gemini's API, as well as Pinecone and LangChain for the RAG. So here's our function for the RAG. We used a text file to break it into chunks, and then we used those chunks to convert it to a vector and then upload it into Pinecone. This is our function that is used to query relevant data, depending on the user's message, which initially gets converted to a query vector, so Pinecone can understand. And then this is our post. So a user sends a message, and then it queries the best result based on that message, and then it uses that context, appends it with the user query, and then it sends that message to the LLM to respond to. So what that looks like is this right here. So if someone types in scribe book 4 verse 42, Pinecone identifies that the user wants information from book 4 verse 42, and then it seems to here that there is information present. And then to showcase that, first we'll look at the Pinecone database, and this is what it looks like. We have book, text, verses, as well as a lot of data. Yeah. And this is our RAG right here. So the meditations, like I said, was Marcus Aurelius's personal series of writings that he wrote to himself for guidance throughout his conquering era. And it wasn't meant to be published, which is a fun fact. Somebody during his time found his journal and then actually published it himself. And so, so I was playing with it before, and then here we can press on this predetermined example, interpret the quote from book 4, verse 42. So he talks about changes and how it's necessary, how it's not evil or good. And if we check his journal, so this is book 4 of verse 42. It says, "There's no evil for things which subsist and change," and blah blah blah. Let's find another verse that we can make it interpret. Why these are long ones? Maybe like something about procrastination. So this is book 2, verse 4. Okay, so can you interpret book 2, verse... what was that? Yeah, verse 4, okay. Each day is a gift, a chance to learn and grow. We are given a finite amount of time, and to waste on procrastination is a squander a precious resource. Okay, so just like that is pretty relevant of what we wanted. And I guess we can also like talk to it normally. Hello. What is your name? So normally any other chatbot without RAG would just say like, "Oh, I don't have a name because I'm an assistant AI." But this was able to know itself through the name Marcus Aurelius. What years did you rule? Okay, and then we have more information there, and if we had more time, we would have definitely added authentication for saving chats, added multi-language support, as well as feedback mechanisms. Yep, that's it. Thank you.